Alright, so the question is, how can the Pythagorean theorem help us find the distance of a line? So imagine I asked you, what is the distance of this line right here? How long is that segment? I don't know. Well, let's figure it out. So what we're going to do is actually make a right triangle out of this. So I'm going to draw the horizontal distance and the vertical distance, and when I do that, it should make a right angle. Now the question is, what is this vertical distance and what is this horizontal distance? Because if we could figure those out, we could use the Pythagorean theorem to find this distance. Well, just like in those other problems, we can count these distances right here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This distance here is 8. Be careful on the counting. It sounds silly, but most students screw these problems up just on the counting part. And if I count down here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that distance there is 6. And now we have the numbers to solve our problem. We can say c squared equals a squared, that's the 6 squared, plus 8 squared. And if we solve that equation, we get the distance of the line. That's simple. So c squared we can't do anything with, so I'm just going to rewrite that. C squared equals 6 squared is 6 times 6. 8 squared is 8 times 8. And if we add those together, we get 100. So I get c squared equals 100. And don't forget the last step, because there's no way that this line segment is 100 if this is 8 and this is 6. The last step is to take the square root, and we're left with c equals 10. The answer is 10. This line segment is 10 units. We don't know the units, so we would just say 10 units long.